My favorite memory here at TTR is probably working the track department night. We bonded over the hard times.
Just bonding with the coworkers and learning all of that you can learn. Yeah, just working together.
It's like a family. What is it? It's like a family. The memories, you know. Every day is not a routine. Every day is like different things. That's the beauty of our work. Every day is different.
I'm very, very grateful to TTR for all that they have done for me, for us.
My dad worked really hard for TTR for his whole life, and he loved his job.
TTR recognized my potential and my background and are ready to invest in me. So that was really good, exciting memory for me.
I think that because of who I work with and how helpful and generous and amazing the people are, it makes my whole experience here so much better.
Mostly friendships that I made along my way, that's what I remember mostly. Good memories.
The people make the workplace, right? And I'm lucky and blessed. Like I get to come into work every day and have a great time and just hang out with the boys, and it's a really good time.
It's kind of family, like with everyone, you don't feel like coming to work. It's being with a family.